Magandang buhay mga bata! Tara, samahan ninyo akong matuto kasama si
Teacher Aika, your online teacher. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and hit the notification bell for more videos. Thank you! Revised K-12 Curriculum, PE and Health, Grade 5, Quarter 3, Lesson 2. Topic, Dangers of Gateway Drugs, Caffeine, Tobacco, E-cigarette, and Alcohol. This is Teacher Aika, your online teacher. Let's start! Learning competencies and objectives. Analyze the negative effects of gateway drugs on the individual, family, and the community. A. Discuss the concept and nature of gateway drugs. B. Explain and demonstrate the negative effects of gateway drugs to individual, family, and community. C. Appreciate the prevention and control of use and abuse of gateway drugs. Let's have a short review. What is a drug? A drug is a substance that can be taken into the human body and once taken, alter some processes within the body. Drugs can be used in the diagnosis, prevention, or treatment of a disease. At the end of the lesson, the student should be able to identify types of gateway drugs, value the negative effects of gateway drug as individual, family, and community, and apply resistance skills about the prevention and control of use and abuse of gateway drugs. The students will watch the video presentation about gateway drugs. Answer the following questions. 1. What is the video all about? Answer. Common gateway drugs like alcohol, tobacco, vaping, and marijuana can lead to serious problems for teenagers. It shows how these substances affect the brain, especially the parts that control decision-making, emotions, and learning. 2. What have you learned from the video you have watched? Answer. Gateway drugs are risky, even if they seem normal or popular among teens. 3. What are the consequences when you abuse drugs? Answer. Poor school performance and dropping out. Health problems like lung damage, heart issues, or mental illness. Unlocking content vocabulary. Drug. A drug is a substance that can be taken into human body and once taken, alter some processes within the body. Drugs can be used in the diagnosis, prevention, or treatment of a disease. Gateway drugs. A gateway drug is a term that is commonly used in reference to particular substances that are thought to open the way to using more dangerous or harder drugs such as heroin or cocaine. Caffeine. Caffeine is a bitter substance that occurs naturally in more than 60 plants, including coffee beans, tea leaves, cola nuts, used to flavor soft drink colas, and cacao pods, used to make chocolate products. Tobacco. Tobacco is most often inhaled by cigarette, pipe, or cigar. E-cigarette. An electronic cigarette is a battery-operated device that emits a vaporized solution to inhale. These devices have various names, including e-cigarettes, e-hookahs, vaporizer cigarettes, vapes, and vape pens. Alcohol comes in many forms. Beer, wine, and liqueur are the standard types of alcohol consumed. Subtopic number 1, Concepts and Nature of Gateway Drugs, Caffeine, Tobacco, E-cigarette, and Alcohol. Let's read. During her college years, Neftali begins to experiment with alcohol at parties. She first takes pleasure in the sense of relaxation and companionship that comes with drinking. Neftali's tolerance to alcohol rises with time, and she begins to look for more intense encounters. Neftali gets interested in other substances as she becomes more used to the effects of alcohol. She might begin using tobacco products or experimenting with caffeine in the company of friends, thinking that it won't be an issue to try these things after having experienced alcohol. Neftali eventually moves on to more dangerous drugs like cocaine or ecstasy as her experimentation advances, and she loses awareness of the dangers and consequences of substance abuse. Neftali's initial harmless alcohol experimenting has now turned into a potentially dangerous drug use path. Questions. First, what is Neftali's first reason for wanting to drink and party? Answer. Neftali's initial reason for drinking and partying is to enjoy relaxation and companionship. Second, after Neftali tried drinking, what happened to her body? Answer. Her tolerance to alcohol increased over time. Third, in your opinion, in which part of the passage can you say that it is a gateway drug? Answer. She might begin using tobacco products or experimenting with caffeine in the company of friends, thinking that it won't be an issue to try these things after having experienced alcohol. In this part of the lesson, you will learn about the substances that are commonly referred to as gateway drugs. This term refers to drugs whose initial use can lead to a person experimenting with drugs that may be more addictive. 4 different substances with varying degrees of legality will be discussed as common gateway drugs: caffeine, tobacco, e-cigarette, and alcohol. Caffeine. Coffee is the most popular form of caffeine. The effects of caffeine on your body's metabolism are numerous. Your central nervous system is stimulated, which may increase your sense of awakens and offer you an energy boost. As a diuretic, caffeine encourages increased urination, which aids in the body's removal of excess water and salt. The chemical may also interfere with the body's ability to absorb calcium, raise blood pressure, and increase the production of acid in the stomach, which can occasionally cause heartburn or upset stomach. Tobacco. Tobacco contains nicotine, which is a central nervous stimulant or CNS. The effects of inhaled nicotine may last from 30 minutes to several hours. After a person uses nicotine, they may experience increased alertness, ability to focus, feelings of relaxation, and lightheadedness. The individual may experience short-term enjoyment from the nicotine in tobacco. E-cigarette. An e-cigarette is a device that may look like a cigarette, a cigar, a pipe, a pen, or a USB drive. The liquid inside may smell fruity, but it can have a high nicotine content. Alcohol. Alcohol affects every organ in the body. Alcohol is a central nervous system or CNS depressant that is quickly absorbed from the stomach and small intestine into the bloodstream. Alcohol is metabolized in the liver by enzymes. The liver can only metabolize a small amount of alcohol at a time, leaving the excess alcohol to circulate throughout the body. The intensity of the effect of alcohol on the body is directly related to the amount consumed. or CDC alcohol and public health. The more a person drinks, the more they will feel the effects. Activity 1. Helpful or harmful drugs. Observations. When you are ill, a doctor may give you a bottle of medicine or pills to help you get better. These contain drugs that can treat an illness. Cigarettes and alcoholic drinks also contain drugs. The drugs in cigarettes and alcohol can make you ill. Science activity, write the name of each drug under either helpful drugs or harmful drugs. Let's answer. Helpful, cough medicine, vitamin C, and aspirin. Harmful, alcohol and tobacco. Lesson activity number 2, acrostic poem. Write acrostic poems using the topic, words, alcohol, caffeine, and cigarettes. You may use the words or phrases that describe or remind you of the topic, and each line should begin with a letter from the word. Cigarette, caffeine, and alcohol. Example answers. Cigarettes. C. Causes harms to lungs. I. Inhaling smoke is risky. G. Gives short relief but long damage. A. Avoid smoking habits. R. Respect your health. E. Every puff shortens life. T. Think before lighting one. T. Time to quit now. E. Every breath counts. S. Stay smoke free. Caffeine. C. Cup of energy in the morning. A. Awakens sleepy minds. F. Feels good but take it slow. F. Frequent use can cause jitters. E. Every sip should be balanced. I. It helps but not too much. N. Never forget to rest. E. Enjoy moderation. Next, alcohol. A. Avoid drinking too much. L. Leads to sickness and pain. C. Choose water instead. O. Our body deserves care. H. Healthy choices matter. O. Only drink responsibly. L. Live a better life. Subtopic number 2, negative effects of gateway drugs, individual, family, and community. Questions. First question, how can you as a family member and citizen help minimize or stop gateway drugs? Answer, by setting a good example and choosing to live a healthy and drug-free lifestyle. I will join school community programs against drugs and report suspicious activities. For example, participating in anti-drug campaigns and encouraging my friends to avoid smoking and alcohol. Second, how will you protect your family and friends from the dangers of gateway drugs? Answer, I will share correct information about the harmful effects of gateway drugs and encourage them to choose safe and positive activities like sports. For example, spending time together and supporting them when they feel stressed so they won't be tempted to try drugs. Activity number 4, show me the effects. You will be divided into 3 groups. Each group will have a role play. There will be a group showing the effects as an individual. The others are the effects in the family and community. Scenario: Ben, a high school student, attends a birthday party of his friend where alcohol, tobacco, and caffeine are being consumed. He decides to try all substances for the first time. What do you think will be the effects to the following? Individual, family, and community. Negative effects of gateway drugs. Negative effects of gateway drugs. Gateway drugs, caffeine, tobacco, e-cigarette, and alcohol. Family, trust can be lost. It impacts the addict's children. Stress can increase. Physical and emotional abuse may happen. Financial problems often occur. Confusion and fear can develop. Withdrawal symptoms and behavior. Community, behaviors that put others in danger as well as illegal acts. Driving while impaired by alcohol or other drugs is a serious crime. Abuse of alcohol and other drugs in the context of instances of family, domestic, and sexual violence. Utilization of illicit drugs within families. Homicide, victimization, and influence on the productivity of the workplace. Negative effects of gateway drugs as individual. Effects of caffeine: feeling more alert and active, higher body temperature, headache and lack of concentration, faster breathing and heart rate, and stomach pains. Danger of smoking: brain disease, lung disease, weak bones, heart disease, gastrointestinal disease, and yellow teeth. Subtopic number 3: Prevention and control of use and abuse of gateway drugs. How to prevent drug abuse. There are 10 ways to prevent drug abuse. Resist peer pressure. Abstain from drug use. Seek professional help. Live a healthy, balanced lifestyle. Foster strong family relationships. How to prevent drug abuse. Take time for self-care. Learn healthy coping skills. Obtain education on the dangers of drug abuse. Take only prescribed medication. Practice mindfulness activities and get closer to God. Activity number 6, send a message, stay drug-free. Apply resistance skills about the prevention and control of use and abuse of gateway drugs. Send a message, stay drug-free. Send a message to your friends, family, and classmates to help them to keep their minds and bodies safe and healthy from drug abuse. Cigarettes, caffeine, and vaping. Fill out the comic strip with your drug-free message. Activity number 7, word search. Apply resistance skills about the prevention and control of use and abuse of gateway drugs. Here are the words to search: healthy, drugs, medicine, friend, safety, parents, tell, doctor, adult, and happy. Let's answer. Healthy, drugs, medicine, friend, safety, parents, tell, doctor, adult, happy. Learners' takeaways, Activity 8, Key to Knowing. Instructions: copy and complete the key diagram below. List down the 4 gateway drugs around the circle and how to prevent abuse of gateway drugs in the bigger circle. Example answer: gateway drugs, caffeine, tobacco, e-cigarettes, and alcohol. How to prevent abuse of gateway drugs. To prevent abuse of gateway drugs, focus on early education, strong family support, and community-based interventions. These strategies reduce risk factors and build protective habits. Reflection on learning. What are gateway drugs? Answer: gateway drugs are substances that people often try first before moving on to more dangerous or illegal drugs. Why are these drugs called gateways? Answer: they're called gateway drugs because they act like an open gate or first step into the world of drug use. How can gateway drugs open doors for teenagers like you to try more dangerous drugs? Answer: tolerance builds up. The body gets used to the drug, so the person needs more or stronger substances feel the same effect. Peer influence. Friends who use gateway drugs may also offer harder drugs like ecstasy, shabu, or LSD. Formative assessment. Let's have a quiz. Instructions: read and answer the questions carefully. 1. What are gateway drugs? Answer: B. Drugs can lead to the use of more dangerous substances. 2. What is a common strategy for preventing gateway drug use? Answer: B. Educating individuals about the risk of drug use. 3. What is one potential consequence of gateway drug use? Answer: C. Increased likelihood of trying harder drugs. 4. Which of the following is a risk factor for gateway drug use? Answer: C. Experiencing trauma or stress. 5. What role can parents play in preventing gateway drug use? Answer: educating their children about the risk of drug use. Maraming salamat sa panonood! Huwag kalimutang i-like at mag-subscribe para sa higit pang educational content. I-click ang bell icon para ma-update ka sa ating mga bagong video. Salamat!